Hey guys, welcome to Mystical Moonstone. This message is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Remember that these are general reads, so they may or may not resonate with everyone. And don't forget to check the placements in your birth charts to see if some of the other zodiac signs may resonate with you as well. Let's see what the overall energy is here. We have patience. Patience, it'll all work out in the end. Action. Well, how can you have action and have patience at the same time? All right. All right. Six of Swords. You are feeling quite stuck in your situation. You feel there is no way out. There is nothing that you can do. Okay, Magician and Nine of Wands. You want to make changes and leave something behind you. Page of Swords. I always feel like this Page of Swords is just, he's ready to take on anything, like whatever. A little bit on the defensive, just a tiny bit. Like, you'll do what you have to do. And then we have the Eight of Wands. There may be a conversation coming up, or there may be some news on its way to you. It's going to happen quickly, however. Okay. King of Coins, and then we have the Eight of Swords again. So you are definitely feeling stuck and feeling that you can't change anything no matter what you do. Ace of Wands. Even when you come up with like new ideas or something as to how to deal with this situation, it seems like everything you try, like nothing is working. Whoa, okay. Hermit. Yeah, you're ready to take on anything. This is how you feel within yourself. Then you have choices. Look at Seven of Cups. You have choices here with this situation, whatever is happening here, this conversation, or the news that, I already said that, huh? The news that is coming, or anyway, with this situation, whether it's news or a conversation is what I'm trying to say. You have choices with it. You have different ways that you can go about it. But right now, you're feeling quite stuck. Almost like you don't have stability. Things aren't stable. Things are unstable. Tower. Things are unstable. There's changes happening within your life. Justice. You know what, though? I'm hearing the word chaos. And you're trying to balance everything out, like every little situation that comes, and I feel like there's multiple situations here. Everything that keeps coming up, you're trying to balance everything out and make things right, but you feel like every time you fix one thing, something else goes wrong. Page of Cups. Of course, it's very emotional for you. It's almost as if nothing seems to be going right. Empress. I mean, you're trying to make the right choices. You're trying to make the right moves, okay? And in taking care of yourself, but it seems like every time you fix one thing, something else is going wrong. It's almost as if this is just happening over and over and over again in your life, and you can't change it. Nothing is changing. Nothing is stopping, and it's making you feel stuck. Like you can't move on, you can't move forward. Six of Coins. You're obviously trying to balance some things out, and you're trying to do things, I feel like, one at a time. Palace of Swords. Temperance. I feel like you are, God, you're trying to get some clarity, like some clarity in the chaos is what I'm hearing. It's even gotten to the point to where you're trying to create different ways of doing things than you would normally do them. Thinking that, well, maybe it's just in my head, it's in my thinking as to the way that I'm doing this, but this isn't working it right. Why isn't this working right? I feel like it's fixing multiple things. You're trying to fix multiple things and come up with new ways of fixing things because you feel like maybe it's you. Maybe that's why these things are not being fixed. Some of them are actually physically fixing things. Like plumbing, pipes, under the kitchen sink is like what I'm getting, like you're trying to, if there's a leak and you're trying to fix the leak. And every time you fix one leak, another leak pops up. And you fix that one, and then another one pops up. That's what I'm getting. But I'm every time you fix one, something goes off with another one. The Four of Coins. So There's a lot of sighing. I'm hearing a lot of sighing. Some cussing. But I feel like you're holding in some of this stuff. You're holding back, and you're not telling everyone everything. You're trudging along. Anyways, you know, they're saying have patience. You're doing the action because you're trying to fix one thing after another, but they're telling you to have patience as well. Even though you're just, I feel like nothing you are doing is fixing anything, and you're getting pretty fed up and frustrated. I almost feel like this is a bunch of house repairs. Like maybe you got a house or whatever, and it's a little bit of a fixer-upper, right? But you got it cheaper, so, and you're just like, okay, well, that's fine. I'm just gonna, you know, go ahead and do this, and it's like fixing one thing after another, and you're like, oh my, this is like way more than I thought it was going to be. Okay, well, this is what I have for you. Please hit like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again real soon.